My name is Anthony Cerabino, and I have a wellness center in Bayshore, Long Island, New York. And we've been there for 8 years now, and we are a multidisciplinary practice. We are under the auspices of holistic health or complementary health. So we work alongside of chiropractors and physical therapists and neurologists now and oncologists. So we're very excited about that being involved in the community. Most commonly, people come to the wellness center for pain. In general, people go to the doctor's office because they are in pain. They come to the office because they don't want to take medication to mask their pain. They just want to get some natural, they want relief naturally. Also now we're getting a lot of people in for post-traumatic stress disorder. Acupuncture is actually a form of body work, just like massage therapy and Reiki and some of these other light touch therapies. So we can actually facilitate the flow of energy in the body and get people to relax that way. That's a big part of acupuncture. Most people come to the office because of low back pain and any kind of musculoskeletal pain. Now we're getting noted more for some of the more difficult neurological pathologies such as multiple sclerosis, Parkinson's, cancer. Acupuncture is becoming more known for infertility alongside with their primary health care giver, their reproductive endocrinologist or their gynecologist. We're also known now for any kind of addiction disorder. You could be addicted to anything, whether it's food, drugs, alcohol. For the needle-shy people, with patients, I do a thorough explanation. I'll demonstrate the needle. I'll actually put the needle in my own skin, but I'll also tell them that, you know, it's super thin, super sharp. It's got a silicone coating, and we also use a guide tube that helps to facilitate the entrance of the needle into the skin. We're really excited now because we're treating allergy-related autism. We're watching children change within 2, 3, 4 treatments. Commonly seen allergen like vitamin C. We've had a young lady come in and she was allergic to vitamin C, and what she did is she drank fruit juice all day because she wasn't drinking water, and you abstain from the allergen for 25 hours and it breaks the cycle of your body responding negatively to allergens. So NATE is a very exciting part of our practice also. NATE is actually a combination of allopathic medicine, chiropractic, kinesiology, which is muscle testing, nutrition, and a lot of chemistry. Moxibustion actually can help promote red and white blood cell production to help support somebody who's going through chemotherapy. And Moxibustion, believe it or not, it's Moxibustion, so it's combustible. And it's a combustible, which means you light it and it gets absorbed through the skin. If you light the herb, it's heated, which means heat will speed up chemical reactions. Heat will disperse. It can also nourish you, it can tonify you and warm you up. The herb itself now, it has similar properties to acupuncture where it helps to facilitate the movement of the energy in the body. A growing portion of our practice is the use of Chinese herbs, and that treats the body from the inside out, and acupuncture treats the body from the outside in. So we're using basically the same medical terminology and theory, and we're combining the two modalities. Chinese herbs is like self-treatment at home, so you're kind of getting like an acupuncture treatment every day. Cupping is an interesting art form, and it goes right alongside with acupuncture and Moxibustion. It's safe and it's very effective. We primarily use cupping for musculoskeletal tension. So you'll have a big knot on your back, and we can actually create a vacuum inside the cup by lighting an alcohol swab and then placing it on the back, and it actually draws up the skin, and we can actually now remove the stagnant blood that's laying on nerve tissue that's creating inflammation, that's creating pain, so we can stop the pain spasm cycle using cupping. Currently, we're offering medical Qigong, and Qigong is basically meditation in motion, and we're going to help to relax the nervous system. So we have a wonderful practitioner doing that right now. One of the main points that I like to talk about is the fact that we spend time with patients, primarily patient care. What does that mean? It means that we're actually going to listen to somebody, and generally we spend about 30 minutes on an intake and do a very thorough health history. We're going to figure out what's going on. The Wellness Center is proud to accept any insurance that has acupuncture coverage. One of the main reasons why people come to healthcare wellness centers because they need an alternative to pharmaceuticals. And we can provide it with acupuncture, massage, and herbal medicine as an alternative.